It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got to go now.
Yeah.
She jumped up out of that seat. It does sound like a damn train horn. Oh! He could have broke his leg from that. He said, "You ass."
As good as I'm gonna get.
Ready? Go ahead. Did they jump? I'm ready.
He almost, if he had dropped his looked like he had a laptop. Get that back. He would have been pissed. Looked like a laptop. He would have been pissed off. It wasn't that car. It was the car from the other car behind you.
I'm too mature for that.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, brother? She's a little...
He shot a bird. He shot a bird. Oh, I don't know what was in that box.
Stop, brother! Go. Go. Woo! No, go forward a little bit and go.
Barbecue.
Alright. The dad jumped more. That's epic. Go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm on TV! Yeah, man! What up? Yeah!
This will be on YouTube later, alright? Check. Go.
She turned around.
Go.
She said, "I'll knock you out."
Yeah, brother! What's up, man? Hey, hey, hey! What's up? That was epic.
Oh, he jumped back.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh, shit. Woo!
Wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Go. You good? Yeah.
He almost dropped his. He's ready to drop his soda. Oh, it's 'cause this is messed up. The guy's playing golf.
I gotta jump the blue guy. Yeah. Did you get him?
The horses, they're moving.
Can we get the drink? Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god, that was Go. Yeah.
Going.
She's an asshole. I'm playing. Let me get that back. I'm playing cage ball at night. Who's doing that? Okay, what the hell is this? It's the same video.
Okay.
I thought it cut to a whole different video for a minute.
Do it. Do it. What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh? Fuck me. Alright, ready now? You recording? You ready?
Go.
Did it jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing about.
The cat took off running.
Yeah.
The cat.
That was pretty fucking funny.
He jumped up.
Fucking funny.
That back. He said, "Damn."
You like that? They're not even looking.
That's funny. Now they're actually.
She's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording the game? Yeah, I'm still recording. She's looking at us. Look at the guy in the green. Record the guy in the green.
I'm watching
Shit. He's still looking.
That was so fucking funny.
Just honk at him.
Holding the Liberty tax sign.
Nice sign, man. Does yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No. I can't. Oh, I
Wanna hear
put
it?
it.
If I came with a train horn, dude. They're on the news. Dude. We got some asshole following us.
About somebody following you.
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Whoa! What was that about?
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
You throw something at him?
Cut on the freeway.
They dude got pissed off. It's the same guy. I can't hardly see because it's dark.
Those horns kick in.
Yeah.
That was something. Boy, that one girl was like, "You assholes," and the other girl was like, "So I'll knock you out."